crowd of these Western people, English people. I thought I have come over here to teach yoga.
Yeah.
So when I saw the girls, like, oh my God, the fairies are over here. I cannot teach them, you know. No, I'm not joking. See, like you are also one of them. I was brittle, you know, inferiority complex induced in me. Oh my God, these are fairies. I have come over to teach yoga. Oh my God. That's great, you know. It's my real experience, I'm telling you. That's so oh my God.
Oh, thank you so
Thank you,
much.
thank you
Just
so
what
much.
I needed.
Oh my God, it's a beautiful occasion, you know. So I'm not talking. Whatever I've said you is, there's no lie in it. I'm 100% true. When I thought you, how can I teach this girl yoga? Because I was in trance to see these girls. So beautiful, you know, tall and beautiful.
Oh, that's so funny.
It's my true experience. I'm not telling lies.
Oh, I know.
Now I have come to normal, you know. After 5 days, I'm myself, you know. Otherwise, like sitting, my God, where I have come, you know. Some in other planet I have come in. I'm not joking.
No, I know you're not joking. That's also why it's funny. Because I can see it.
Yeah.
I can feel it.
That is that.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you ever seen Khechri doing Vek? So
No, I
these are some
haven't.
secret kriyas. I'll let you know because
Yeah.
you deserve it. These are the things which are never to be disclosed. But for you, because you are the first English girl to whom I'm attracting, like, you know.
Yeah.
So see, look at my tongue, you know.
Yeah.
This will be going over here.
No, serious.
The only
How?
physically. See, I'll show you. See my tongue here.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Oh no! What? Yeah, I see it. Yeah. How?
This is simple. So what we can do is, yeah, you can do. Your tongue is quite long. Show me. Oh, just try to take it inward. Oh my God, you will try to touch the nose. Try to. Yeah, but you have to. You have to increase the length of your tongue. So don't go in for that unless we are with you. So if you can take this tongue over here, but you have to increase the length. What you can try is with your thumb, na? See, with your thumb, when it's absolutely clean, after cleaning your thumb, you keep pushing the tongue like this. The day you take your tongue inside over here, for example, see now, I can control my swaras. When you do pranayama, you will do like this.
Yeah.
We need not do like this. Yogis who perfected. See, to me now, see, I have taken this here.